will never believe the bizarre truth behind how to earn £2,000 as a part-time international student. As an international student, there are several ways you can earn £2,000 as a part-time student. Here are some options you can consider. On-campus jobs. Many universities offer part-time job opportunities for students. These jobs can include working at the university library, administrative offices, cafeteria, or as a teaching assistant. Check with your university's career services or student employment office for available positions. Off-campus jobs. Look for part-time job opportunities in the local community. You can search for job openings in retail stores, restaurants, cafes, or tutoring positions. Make sure to check if you are eligible to work off campus based on your student visa regulations. Online freelancing. Utilize your skills and expertise to work as a freelancer. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer various freelance opportunities, such as writing, graphic design, programming, or virtual assistants. You can set your own rates and work on projects during your free time. Tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring services to other students. This can be done in person or online through platforms like tutor.com or Preply. Advertise your services in student groups or on social media platforms to attract potential clients. Delivery or ride-sharing services. Consider working as a delivery driver for local restaurants or signing up as a driver for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft. This option provides flexibility in choosing your working hours, allowing you to balance your studies and work. Research participation. Some academic departments or research institutions offer paid research opportunities for students. Reach out to professors or research departments within your university to inquire about any available positions. Pet sitting or babysitting. Offer your services as a pet sitter or babysitter in your local community. Many people require assistance with taking care of their pets or children, and they are often willing to pay for reliable and responsible individuals. Remember, when working part-time as an international student, it's crucial to ensure that your work hours do not violate any regulations set by your student visa. Be sure to review the guidelines and limitations provided by your university and local authorities to maintain compliance. For more information, call us. WhatsApp available.